Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing, and today I have a third unboxing, and this is the ABC Camo sweatshorts from BAPE. Quick look at it. This is the tag. Of course I got it in double XL because sweatshorts tend to be a little bit fitting. Again, check it out. Double XL. 17,000 yen. That's about $170 for retail. Now this is not the shark version. I did the review on that one I think last year. Put the link in the description. And it comes in this BAPE line camo design paper. Again, this is not a throwaway item, so that's pretty nice. So let's have a look. Again, pretty standard sweatshorts, ABC camo all around. This is the front, right there, and you got one back pocket. Yeah, only one back pocket on the right cheek. Let's have a look at the tags. So, a bathing ape 2XL. Back you got the BAPE head tag right there. We early? Yep, we are. And of course it's stretchable. Overall, great. Can't go wrong with the ABC camo sweatshorts. I believe these are a little bit bigger. But anyway, so this design is called the 1-point sweatshorts, simply because you got one small embroidery piece of the BAPE head right there. Very subtle, but overall not too loud. Not too loud. Let's have a look at the wash tags to see where they're made in. Could it be Japan? Could it be China? Could be China, I think. Anyway. Oh, there you go. 100% cotton, made in Japan. Alright, then you got the gold ape head right there. So made in China, not to be. This is made in Japan. So you can be assured that this is a premium price item. Alright, not to say they aren't as good as the China one, or the China one is as good as the Japanese one, but anyway, it's BAPE, so don't worry about that. So yeah, so check out my IG at LKHOE23 for all things related to BAPE, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Right, bye bye.